guys, it's Milo and Ate, and we're back. I'm sorry, we're wearing masks. Let me take that off because we're in our house still. We're going to do a handcuff challenge. We're going to be handcuffed, and whoever can't handle it anymore loses, and who can handle it wins.
Okay, yeah. We get out the house, and I don't know how long it's going to take, but we're going to try and go to a supermarket with handcuffs and picnic with handcuffs and then come home still in handcuffs. Let's see if we can make it. Oh, it's fun. Hey guys, we're still connected. We're working together.
We're working together. It's not really a challenge, it's a working together challenge.
Working together challenge. Going to 7-Eleven instead of a supermarket because we think there's less people there. And this is the street of Japan right now. Not much going on.
Remote right now, and
Actually 7-Eleven.
7-Eleven.
We're gonna grab our lunch.
When
Stay together. Okay, you grab that basket. Cool. Alright, so we've made it out of 7-Eleven. Now we're gonna go on our picnic. Oh my gosh, there's so many cars over here. Hey guys!
We're still handcuffed. And if you haven't...
Hey guys! Milo and Ate here. Milo's trying to prepare the food with his one hand. The view is fantastic. No one around. And so yeah, we're still connected.
And I don't know how we're gonna eat like this.
Yeah, we'll see.
For me,
Soda, yeah.
I don't know what this is.
You can just read it. Earl Grey tea. Stop it. You're in second grade in like 2 months. We got chips. Nihongo wakarimasen.
And then we have
This. And a shishi. A sushi.
Sushi.
You mean sushi?
Yeah, sushi.
Oh. Okay, we gotta we gotta talk.
And I already this is what
We have to talk on what we're gonna do because if I move this way, you are.
So we're going to do what it we're going to.
What if I just feed you?
No.
Go ahead.
This is our lunch right now. How do you feel?
I feel great, actually. Look at this. It's so organized. And I have you. You can't go anywhere.
I can't even go down to the water. You have to come with me.
Exactly.
And then if I fall down on the water, you can just...
Ah! Exactly. Literally. This is the best day ever.
No, July 4th is the best day ever.
You mean my birthday?
Yes.
July 5th. Okay, we're almost done with our lunch. Don't talk with your mouth full, boy. Be quiet. Ow, you're... Okay. And then we're going home, finally. Because I can't wait to get this handcuff off. Right, Milo? Milo. Oh, chicketing, alu, chicketing. Oh, chicketing, alu, chicketing, alu. So, that was actually pretty good. Finished our lunch. And now we're just about to drink. Oh.
You put your straw in your mask.
Oopsie. I was just kidding.
I do know from the previous episode of our challenge, me and Ate did a egg drop challenge, or is it a parachute challenge?
Whatever.
We were not handcuffed, and that was pretty easy. Now it is pretty hard. Everybody knows that. I'm sorry. I hope I said not much that I should have.
Excuse me? What? What do you mean? What are you saying? We're still handcuffed. What? What did you just say?
Cat.
Who's cat?
Over there. Over there.
Stop pointing at people.
I'm not pointing at a person. I'm pointing at a platform.
Not funny.
Not funny.
Sorry for what?
Because one, we have our masks on, and two, we've been videotaping
Nonsense.
here for.
Okay, now we're just gonna go home. Ew.
Okay, we're on our way home right now, and then we're really full. We're still handcuffed.
Almost home though.
Yeah, we're almost home.
Repeat after me. Sally sells seashells by the seashore.
Sally sells seashores by the seashore.
Nice. How much wood would a woodchuck chuck if a woodchuck would?
How much wood would a woodchuck wood? But a woodchuck would.
Nice. Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Supercalifragilisticexpialidocious.
Okay, perfect. What's another one?
Let's see.
Let's see a Tagalog one. Do you know Tagalog words? Aray ko!
Aray ko stay.
Hindi yan.
How much wood would a woodchuck woodchuck?
What?
Yeah.
How about just be Sally?
Okay. Sally shells seashells by the seashore.
Seashore. Okay. Seashore. Sure. Sure. Ay!
Ah!
It's funny.
I was funny.
We're almost home.
And we can tie this.
We can untie that. What's your tongue twister?
Grammy grains greens on the ground.
On the what?
On the ground.
What's the gren?
The ground is kind of like that board.
What?
Like you cut it
Right
out.
foot, left foot, which foot? Go.
What foot, left foot, which foot? Well, home.
Uh-huh.
We have to take one step into the house.
Ay, apo.
House. House. 3, 2, 1. Oh, we made it. With handcuffs. Congratulations, partner. Secret handshake.
Okay.
Just put it right here. This is our secret handshake. Don't tell anyone at home that you're about to see this.
Jellyfish.
Goodbye. Peace.